Dear children, today I am going to teach lesson 3rd in geography, the earth movements and major landforms. सबसे पहले इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म देखें और उन्हें लिखें और याद करें. फर्स्ट नंबर है होल्ड्स, मीन्स बेंडिंग ऑफ रॉक स्ट्रेटा, बेंडिंग ऑफ रॉक स्ट्रेटा, होल्डिंग बोलते हैं. फॉल्स, फ्रैक्चर्स इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट along which displacement occurs. फॉल्स ना, कोई फॉल्ट गलती होती है, जैसे कोई तो फॉल्ट हो गई, कोई फ्रैक्चर लाइक टूटना एक तरह से. इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट, क्रस्ट माने ऊपरी परत जो है उसका टूटना. along which displacement occurs, और उसका हटना ये फॉल्ट्स कहलाता है. रिफ्ट वैली, a valley caused by faulting and displacement of rocks, रिफ्ट वैली कहलाता है. हॉर्स्ट, a mountain formed due to faulting of the earth. Volcano, a vent in the earth crust through which lava and other materials come out. Lava, the hot boiling material that comes out from the volcano or fissures. Crater, the cup-shaped mouth of volcano. जो एक कप के आकार, पीने वाला जो कप होता है उसके आकार का जो माउथ बनता है ज्वालामुखी का वोल्केनो का, वो क्रेटर कहलाता है. कोर, द कॉनिकल शेप हीप ऑफ लावा विच सॉलिडिफाइज एज हिल. कोर, लावाओं का जो इकट्ठा होता है वो पूरा वो कोर कहलाता है. हिप एंड हीप, ज्वालामुखी से निकलने वाले जो पदार्थ लावा होते हैं उनका जो ढेर होता है वो आपका कोर बनता है, कहलाता है. नेक, अ डीप फीचर थ्रो विच लावा कम्स आउट. जैसे अपना एक गला होता है, गले से आवाज़ निकलती है और आपको जैसे बलगम वगैरह निकालते हैं, तो क्या है डीप प्रेशर थ्रॉट विच लावा कम्स आउट, जिसके माध्यम से लावा निकलते जिस स्थान से वो थ्रॉट कहलाता है, नेक कहलाता है. फोकस, the point from where the earthquakes generates, the point from where the earthquakes generate. Epicenter, the point where the shock waves reach the surface first, the point where the shock waves reach the surface first, ये आपका एपिक सेंटर कहलाता है. मेजर लैंडफॉर्म्स, द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ इज हाईली इरेगुलर. इरेगुलर मीन्स विषमता, असमान. दैट अनइवन. इट possesses a variety of surface form and relief features such as mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, waterfalls, delta, peaks, etc. Several forces, both internal as well as external, are responsible for creating these features. There are three major landforms. First, mountains, second, plateaus, and third, plains. The mountains कहते हैं these landforms are found on the land as well as in ocean and seas. जैसे लैंडफॉर्म हमारे पृथ्वी के ऊपर पाए जाते हैं, जैसे माउंटेन, प्लेट्यू, प्लेन्स और डीप वैली, तो इसी तरह सागरों और महासागरों के अंदर भी उसके सरफेस में माउंटेन, प्लेन्स और प्लेट्यू पाए जाते हैं. उनके बारे में जाने देखें. पहला फर्स्ट है माउंटेन. द माउंटेन आर conspicuously high areas which vary considerably in their height and mode of origin. Most of them are the result of various slow movements of the earth occurring in its interior. There are four main types of mountains. First है the fold mountains, second block mountains, थर्ड volcano mountain और रेजिडुअल माउंटेन्स। ये चार प्रकार के माउंटेन हैं। तो फर्स्ट माउंटेन है फोल्ड माउंटेन। तो फोल्ड माउंटेन क्या है? कहते हैं फोल्ड माउंटेन्स आर लार्जेस्ट एंड हाईएस्ट ऑफ ऑल माउंटेन इन द वर्ल्ड। दे आर formed by large scale folding activity of internal forces of the earth giving rise to horizontal movements. The Himalayas in Asia and the Alps in Europe are best example of fold mountains. Block mountains are formed as result of vertical movements of the earth along crack of faults. The Vosges in France and Black Forest in Germany are good example of block mountains. Third है volcanic mountains are formed as result of volcanic eruption. When a volcano eruption, it swept out molten material through a hole or vent. This material later cools down around the hole in a conical shape. Mountain Fujiyama in Japan is typical volcano mountain. Residual mountains are formed when external forces such as weathering, rivers, etc. wear down the surface of the earth deeply and reduce the area into a highly dissected form. The Eastern Ghat, the Western Ghat and Aravalli Hills are example of residual mountains. Now, plateaus. Plateaus occupy the intermediary position between mountains and plains. They rise high abruptly from the surrounding area. They generally have hard and stony surface and so are not fit for cultivation but are generally rich in mineral resources. Some plateaus like the Tipat Plateau, the Bolivia Plateau are higher than Everest mountains. Now, the plains. A plain is a flat and low-lying area with a gentle slope. Most extensive plains are those made by the land are richly populated. The Indo-Gangetic plains of the Indian subcontinent and the Great Plains of the China are densely populated regions of the world. Now, the earth movements and resultant landforms. Landforms undergo continuous transformation. Several external and internal forces and processes cause various changes in the existing topography. These changes may occur gradually, almost imperceptibly as well as promptly. While we may not notice a gradual change in our lifetime, the sudden or abrupt change are easily noticed. Fold and falls are the major features created by slow movements. Slow movement कहते हैं ये falls relatively fast. देखें, gradually a slow movement inside the earth cause bending and break up of rock which result in the formation of folds. The raised upper part of the folds up fold is called anticylon, while the depressed lower part downfold is called syncline. Faults. Fracture occur in the earth's surface, earth's crust, along with displacement occurs. Thus, fault is a rupture or fractures of rocks strata caused due to stress. Faulting and displacement of rocks give rise to many tropical landforms, that is, Rift Valley and Horse. Rift Valley. A rift valley is formed when a part of land subsides between the two or more parallel faults. The Rift Valley of East Africa is a classic example. Horse. A rift valley is formed when a part of the land subsides between two or more parallel faults which rise up. It is also known as Black Mountain, Black Forest of Germany, and Vosges of France are good examples of horse. Volcanoes and earthquakes are caused due to the sudden movement deep within the earth. Now, next day.